All right, good morning, my gorgeous friends on the internet. Right with me is the famous Deputy Jesus. Deputy Jesus, you're welcome to Edubaba Digital Studio.
Thank you very much.
Sharp. So, what can you say about Edubaba Digital Studio? Can you talk to your fans out there who is looking for the wedding coverage, funeral coverage, and all of those good things that will stand the test of time? What do you have to tell them about the Edubaba Digital Studio?
Event only comes once in a blue moon. But what made the event last forever is the image you can refer back or memory you're able to keep.
Fantastic. This guy is absolutely brilliant. I think that's why they call him Deputy Jesus. Let's hear more from him, please. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Carry on, sir.
The honest truth is that we only make reference of history because we have documents of it.
Oh, no cap. Should I take the cap off? This guy is too much, bro. Okay, let's get again.
Anyway, to cut the long story short, you just need an image that speaks more than the whole story you want to create. So if you want that kind of image, you want to keep the memory refreshing, you want to refer back and have an evidence for whatever you have done before, visit Edubaba Digital Studio. I assure you, you will never regret it. You keep giving Thanksgiving to my page.
Sharp. You heard it right. Edubaba Digital Studio. On Instagram, Edubaba Studio. On TikTok, Edubaba Studio. On Facebook, Edubaba Studio. What we do is simply a realistic, absolutely realistic photograph, absolutely beautiful. We will keep you the way you should be.
Exactly.
So thank you so much. And from here, I say, take care.